Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to guide you in making your first homemade latte. To get set up, follow the prompts on your machine. You'll want to set your water filter using the measuring spoon mounting aid, and test your water hardness level using the supplied test strip. When prompted, enter the water hardness level. Then, fill up and install your water tank. Add your favorite beans to the bean hopper and lock it into place. Fill up your milk container with your favorite milk and connect the hose. If it's your first time using the machine, you'll need to make 4 to 5 coffee-based drinks before this one to get the best results. Now we know each of our models look a little different, but don't worry, the steps are just the same. To choose a drink, use the arrows to toggle back and forth. Once you've selected your drink, go ahead and personalize it. For a latte, or most drinks on your machine, you can change up the body, temperature, strength, coffee volume, milk type, and brewing order. Once you're ready to brew, press the start button. And that's it. It's really that easy. If you like these settings, go ahead and save them to your profile by pressing the user profile icon. Now they're yours forever. From there, just keep exploring and have fun with it.